Question number 67. This is the first of the RC questions. There are 4 passages in this paper, and this is the first one. It has 4 questions, the first passage. And the first passage broadly talks about the concept of information privacy. Like, do we enjoy information privacy in the age of the internet? And there are certain lines in this paragraph which actually reflect the author's conclusion or his opinion. Let's see, in paragraph 1 the most important line will be knowledge has become transparent. So that is one. In sentence or in the second paragraph, Jeremy Rifkin has been mentioned, and what he says is, the thought goes, we are willing to trade it away not only for security but for the increased freedom that comes with convenience. So this shows a reason why we are not really bothered about the exposure of our privacy. Now, option 3 starts with the line, this argument rings true because in some ways it is true. But the author has also raised a very important point, and that is, it catches a whiff of desperate rationalization about it as well. In point of fact, and the last line gives you the conclusion, there is a clear sense in which the increased transparency of our lives is not enhancing freedom, but doing exactly the opposite in ways that are often invisible. Second paragraph gives you an example of that. Then it introduces the concept of total autonomy while taking decisions, and the author talks about that, and he in fact gives you a sentence, and that, I believe, tells us something about why privacy matters. And the last paragraph talks about that, how your privacy can be misused and how you should watch out for it, or how it is a matter of concern. The author hasn't given you any solution in this paragraph, but he's definitely raised some concerns, and the concern is about the exposure of your privacy. So with this, we can come to question number 67. It says, according to the passage, why is it that people are willing to trade off their internet privacy? This one is an extremely easy question. It's direct. If we go back to the paragraph, wherever the word trade off their internet privacy is mentioned, that is where our answer will be located. So do not miss out on direct questions in CAT. They're very less in number, very few in numbers. So we'll go back to the paragraph, and if we look at the second paragraph, here it says, so no wonder the thought goes, we are willing to trade it away not only for security but for increased freedom that comes with convenience. So obviously the answer to question number 67 will be D, because it brings with it greater freedom through convenience. That's the best option.